Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the AULA F99 Pro mechanical keyboard, a refined mechanical keyboard built for users who want smooth typing, wireless flexibility, and deeper customization without stepping into premium pricing. This Pro version is designed to improve on the standard F99 by focusing on better typing feel, stronger build quality, and more practical everyday features. Whether you're gaming, working, editing, or just using your setup daily, this keyboard is built to deliver a consistent and comfortable experience. If you want to grab this keyboard for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the AULA F99 Pro presents a clean and modern design. It keeps a compact layout that saves desk space while still maintaining a full set of essential keys. This makes it ideal for both minimal setups and full gaming desks where space efficiency matters. The design feels more refined compared to typical budget keyboards. The frame is sturdy, with minimal flex, and it sits firmly on the desk. That solid foundation immediately improves the overall typing experience because the keyboard doesn't shift or feel unstable during use. One of the biggest improvements in the Pro version is the typing feel. The switches are smoother and often come pre-lubed, which reduces scratchiness and improves consistency. Each key press feels more controlled, and the overall sound profile is cleaner and more satisfying. For users who spend hours typing or gaming, this makes a noticeable difference. Instead of feeling harsh or inconsistent, the keyboard delivers a more refined and comfortable experience over long sessions. The Hot-Swappable feature adds a lot of flexibility. You can easily remove and replace switches without soldering, allowing you to customize the keyboard exactly how you want. Whether you prefer quieter switches for office use or faster switches for gaming, the keyboard adapts to your needs. Wireless connectivity is another major highlight. With Bluetooth support, you can connect the keyboard to multiple devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Switching between devices is simple, making it perfect for multitasking setups. At the same time, wired mode is available when needed. This is especially useful for gaming sessions where you want a stable, uninterrupted connection, or when charging the keyboard. The control knob is one of those features that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. It allows you to adjust volume or control media instantly without needing to press extra keys. It's simple, but it adds a level of convenience that improves everyday usability. RGB Lighting gives the keyboard a customizable visual touch. You can choose from different lighting effects to match your setup. Whether you prefer subtle lighting or something more vibrant, it integrates well without becoming distracting. In terms of performance, the keyboard feels fast and reliable. Key inputs register quickly, which is important for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're typing quickly or reacting in a fast-paced game, the keyboard keeps up without issues. The layout itself is well balanced. It saves space while still giving you access to important keys, which makes it practical for both work and play. The compact design also allows for better mouse positioning, which can improve comfort during long sessions. The keycaps feel comfortable and stable. They're designed to support long typing sessions without causing discomfort, and the overall ergonomics make the keyboard easy to adjust to. Battery life is designed to handle extended use, so you won't need to charge it constantly. This makes it practical for daily use, especially in wireless mode. Build quality remains consistent over time. The keyboard feels durable, and the components hold up well with regular use. It's designed to be reliable, whether you're using it for gaming, work, or both. In real-world use, the AULA F99 Pro fits into multiple environments. It works just as well in a gaming setup as it does in an office or creative workspace. That versatility makes it a strong all-around option. When it comes to value, the AULA F99 Pro stands out in the budget to mid-range category. It offers features like hot-swappable switches, wireless connectivity, RGB lighting, and a control knob, features that are often found in more expensive keyboards. Over time, having a keyboard that feels smooth, customizable, and reliable can improve both productivity and overall comfort. The ability to adjust switches and settings means this keyboard can grow with your preferences. Overall, the AULA F99 Pro mechanical keyboard is a well-rounded upgrade that delivers better typing feel, flexibility, and everyday convenience in a compact design. If you're looking for a keyboard that balances performance, customization, and wireless functionality without overcomplicating things, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.